Okay, for this part of the connection of the Wi-Fi inside of your kit, you will have your transceiver and your protocol. Okay, it's going to come with this connectivity adaptation wire, and then it'll also come with an Ethernet cable and a power plug. Okay, so you're going to take, this client has this fully automated system. You're going to need to plug everything in. First off, you plug your transceiver into your protocol to the back there, okay? And then your Ethernet cable gets ported in there and into one of the external Ethernet sides. Your system may not be as specific or as maybe simpler than this system that's here, but nevertheless, it's how you just trying to take apart this cable here. Let me get everything wrong. Okay, so you take your power plug it into your power source, and you plug it up under here, and you have your communication cable in here to your protocol adapter, and then from the back of your protocol adapter, you have your Ethernet cable. I ran it like the other wires were ran to one of the Ethernet ports here. Not sure why I have no power light on here, but we're gonna go back to the automation box and see if that searches for something. Okay, so back at the panel here, we have our antenna on, we have our main system board on, we have it on auto. So we're gonna select our menu, and we're gonna go down, possibly to settings, select, and we're gonna see, once we find, where is it at? Wireless address right here. I'm gonna come over now, we're gonna be scanning. Sending address. It does say on the back it takes some time, so let's see if this connects. It says from the box that you know, your outside receiver has to be the same as your inside transceiver. The protocol is just a protocol, but once you get that wireless kit bundle, those two on the back of the board and on the back of the transceiver, they both have the same ID number on the back. So we're gonna go back inside and see if we see something happening with the inside of the transceiver. Let's go. Okay guys, I think I figured it out. At first my protocol wasn't, for some reason the LED light in the front wasn't, it wasn't powering on, so I figured something out. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna resend the signal back to the unit. So I'm gonna flip it over so that you guys can see. So we're gonna go back in our menu. Okay, we're gonna scroll down to our settings, select, press up for wireless address, scanning. Okay, now it's sending the address. Now again, we have, at least we know we have the power. Okay, so we have that. See how now it's, that left one is solid and it's still sending. You see that top yellow sticker? That's what you need to make sure that your antenna is the same as your transceiver. So let's go back inside, and then we're gonna look at the protocol. And I'm gonna show you what I did wrong. And it's kind of weird how it can go both ways, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. back here, now we have a transceiver and our power light is solid. That means that it's linked. But our protocol, this light wasn't turning on, even though I had it plugged in. So what I noticed underneath, I looked at these wires, and when I went to check the yellow, I noticed really quickly this color coordination. And when I looked underneath, I had it the opposite way. Now, for some reason, that cable can go both ways. And that's what I noticed really quickly. I turned it around. And now at least I got power to my protocol. So now we're gonna try to connect on the, at this point, I think you're gonna need to download your Screen Logic 2 app on your phone or your mobile device. And then you're gonna hit remote, and then you're gonna type in these numbers that you have on your protocol. And I think that that's what's gonna allow it to link completely. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. All right, guys, we completely finished everything. What I did was I left all the booklets tucked away there on the low end side for anybody coming after that may need to do things to it, or for myself to get if I had to, something needs to be changed or something needs to be added, we can refer back to the operating and user manuals that we have there. I'm also too going to leave more of the little tabs and everything as well tucked up inside of this area, so we can go ahead and we're going to close up the box. So this is going to kind of conclude this part of this series of installing a Pentair EasyTouch automation system. Okay, and just tuck it away in there. I'm a nice guy, leaving that stuff for anybody else that may need to work on this in the future. Okay, put our box cover. Okay. Back in auto, filter pump, heater, pool pump just turned on. Picking up everything here. Just want to move everything off the heater because the heater will turn on in a minute. So the senses all of the flow. So let's get an overview of everything that we did today. These are the pump. Actuators installed. There's the heat pump working. We got a temperature sensor on. Chlorinator working. Crank that up a little bit. Actuator valves are operational and set up. Got an air blower that works, tested that earlier. Heat pump that's on, that's working. Everything's all set up. Close it down. And this is gonna do it for you. Installation of a Pentair EasyTouch automation system. Go through this video. It's probably really lengthy, but it was a very big job that we had to do. Swapping out from an intermatic load center to automation, doing all the wiring, installation of the box, all the wiring, deconstruction of a lot of other components here, Wi-Fi enabling everything, and putting the heater to operate as well with the automation system. Programming all of the schedules and all the timings and everything will function. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till the next time, we'll see you again.